16th question. An object of mass 100 kg is accelerated uniformly from a velocity of 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second in 6 seconds. So here they have given us mass of the object, then its velocity, and its velocity is changing from 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second. So there are two velocities in which it is changing from this to this. That means this is initial velocity, this is final velocity. In 6 seconds. That means this is the time given to us. Calculate the initial and final momentum. We have to find out momentum. Also find the magnitude of force. So we have to find out the force also from this situation or which is exerted on the object. So let us note down all the details given to us. So M equals to 100 kg, mass of the object. Then velocity 5 meter per second. So this is going to be initial velocity and that is 5 meter per second. This is final velocity. So that is V equals to 8 meter per second. Time they have given, that is T equals to 6 seconds. All the units are proper according to our formulas. Now we have to find out initial and final momentum. So what is the formula of momentum? Momentum is a product of mass and velocity. So when we are finding out initial momentum, we are going to use initial velocity. And when we are finding out final momentum, we are going to use final velocity. So first we are finding out initial momentum. Formula is m into velocity. So initial momentum, we are using initial velocity, m into u. So here 100 into 5, we are going to get 500. 500 kg meter per second. This is initial momentum. Now we are going to find out final momentum. So final momentum equals to m into final velocity. So that is going to be v. So here 100 into 8 equals to 800 kg meter per second. So we have found out here initial and final momentum. So these are two answers as per they asked. Now we have to find out the magnitude of force. That means we have to find out force, that how much force is exerted on the object. So what is the formula of the force? F equals to m into difference in velocity. So final velocity minus initial velocity divided by t. So m is 100, v is 8, u is 5, divided by t is 6. So here 100 into 3 divided by 6. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 50s are 100. So here we are going to get 50. And since this is force, this is going to be Newton. So F equals to 50 Newton force will be exerted on the object. So these are our three answers. This is initial momentum, this is final momentum, and this is the third answer, that is force exerted on the object.